welcome to French with Love. I'm Nazlı.
I'm Benjamin. Here we are again with our second part. As you know, our aim is to teach you French with dialogues that can be used in a daily language.
The dialogue in this episode will be different than the previous ones. It won't be like a dialogue between us, but instead a monologue where Benjamin leaves me a voicemail.
It's important to speak French, but to understand what you hear in French is also essential.
Now let's hear the voicemail left by Benjamin.
Bonsoir, mademoiselle Nazlı. J'ai parlé avec mon ami. Demain, jeudi, à midi, nous vous attendons pour déjeuner au restaurant Champs-Élysées. Est-ce que vous êtes disponible? Appelez-moi pour confirmer. Merci. Bonne soirée.
The message was short, but did you understand everything? So we will learn the following 10 words, even if it is a short message.
Let's start.
Mademoiselle. Mademoiselle.
Miss.
Mademoiselle. Avec. Avec.
With.
Avec. Ami. Ami.
Friend.
Ami. Jeudi. Jeudi.
Thursday.
Jeudi. Midi. Midi.
Noon. Midday.
Midi. Attendre. Attendre.
To wait.
Attendre. Déjeuner. Déjeuner.
Lunch. To have lunch.
Déjeuner. Appeler. Appeler.
To call.
Appeler. Disponible. Disponible.
Available.
Disponible. Bonne soirée. Bonne soirée.
Have a good evening.
Bonne soirée.
Let's repeat today's 10 words.
Mademoiselle.
Miss.
Avec.
With.
Ami.
Friend.
Jeudi.
Thursday.
Midi.
Noon. Midday.
Attendre.
To wait.
Déjeuner.
Lunch. To have lunch.
Appeler.
To call.
Disponible.
Available.
Bonne soirée.
Have a good evening.
We have seen 10 new words. Now it's time for the words we already know. Are you ready, Mademoiselle Nazlı?
Oui, I'm ready.
Restaurant.
Restaurant.
Confirmer.
To confirm. To say that you are waiting for someone for something, you can use the formula below. Pour means for, and direct object pronouns will be discussed later in this video.
Nous vous attendons pour déjeuner.
We are waiting for you to have lunch. If you want to make an appointment by giving specific time and date, you can use this formula below.
Je t'attends lundi à 13 heures.
I'm waiting for you on Monday at 1 p.m.
Je vous attends le 5 juin à 9 heures.
I'm waiting for you on the 5th of June at 9 a.m. For your information, direct object pronouns allow you not to repeat the noun that is already used in a sentence. They answer the questions what and who. They agree with the number and the gender of the noun. Here is the list of direct object pronouns in French.
Me, te, le, la, nous, vous, les. Nous les attendons mardi à 15 heures.
We are waiting for them on Tuesday at 3 p.m. When a word that comes right after the direct object pronouns starts with a vowel or the letter H, then the direct object pronouns change to M', T', L'.
Je t'aime.
I love you.
In French, bonsoir and bonne soirée have the same meaning as good evening. When you start a conversation, you can say bonjour during the day or bonsoir in the evening. When you end the conversation, just before you leave, you can say bonne journée during the day or bonne soirée in the evening.
In French, different than in English, all nouns have a gender. They are either male, masculine, or female, feminine.
In French, we call it masculin ou féminin. The gender of nouns are very important. In this grammar section, you will learn the gender of nouns.
And then we will learn the conjugation of today's verb together. Today's grammar topic is feminine and masculine nouns.